Beach vacations offer the perfect opportunity to relax, unwind, and soak up the sun. Here are 9 beach vacation ideas to consider for your next getaway. Number 9. Maldives. Known for its overwater bungalows and crystal-clear waters, the Maldives is a top luxury beach destination. Perfect for honeymooners and anyone looking for a secluded tropical paradise. Number 8. Bora Bora, French Polynesia. Another destination renowned for its overwater bungalows. Bora Bora is a slice of heaven in the South Pacific. Enjoy water sports, coral reefs, and stunning sunsets. Number 7. Maui, Hawaii. Hawaii offers a diverse range of beach experiences, and Maui is a favorite with its beautiful beaches like Wailea, Kaanapali, and Hana. Explore the road to Hana for an unforgettable journey. Number 6. Santorini, Greece. The whitewashed buildings, blue-domed churches, stunning sunsets of Santorini make it a picturesque beach destination in the Mediterranean. Number 5. Tulum, Mexico. Tulum is known for its bohemian vibe. Ancient Mayan ruins, pristine beaches along the Riviera Maya. It's a great place to relax and explore. Number 4. Fiji. With its lush landscapes, friendly locals, and numerous islands to choose from, Fiji offers a South Pacific paradise. Plenty of water activities and cultural experiences. Number 3. Phuket, Thailand. Thailand's largest island is famous for its vibrant nightlife, beautiful beaches, and cultural attractions. It's a great mix of relaxation and adventure. Number 2. Costa Rica. For those who love adventure along with their beach time, Costa Rica offers stunning Pacific and Caribbean coastlines, as well as rainforests, volcanoes, and wildlife. Number 1. Barbados. Known for its warm hospitality, vibrant culture, beautiful beaches, Barbados is a Caribbean gem. Don't miss the chance to enjoy the local cuisine and music. Seeking a remote island escape? An adventure-packed beach trip? There's a perfect beach destination out there for you. The beach is not just a place, it's a feeling. So pack your bags and hit the sand. Travel with Glen.